Guys, welcome. I'm now off from my parking, from the parking lot, nearly Naivas, driving to Bamburi. This is nearly center, or rather nearly shopping center, where there are all kinds of shops. Whatever you are interested in, you can always find it here. From banks, private clinics, everything is found here. It is called Nyali Center. This is where Nyali Naivas is also located. I'm from the Nyali supermarket. Now I am on my way to Bamburi. And the guys, as you can see, the weather today is a little bit sunny. Otherwise, Mombasa has been very cold. It is not like the other times when the weather is so harsh, when the humidity is high. But we thank God that now the weather, with this kind of weather, you can even wear a suit with a tie. But we don't know how long it will last, because as you know, the weather has changed almost everywhere. But we have to cope with it. We have to cope with it. For us, it is favorable now, as you can see. But the sun is still hot. But because it's like there's some wind which is blowing from the sea, it's not that much hot. So it is good for us. Now there's a diversion here that I'm joining, because guys, as you can see, this is what is happening. The road is being worked on. In fact, they are removing the old one to replace it with a new one, all the way from Kilifi to this place. This is where they have reached, just near Mombasa. They have intended to work on it from all the way from Kilifi to Mombasa. So mainly there is some diversions here and there, to which sometimes it is when there is rush or rush time or rush hours, there is a lot of jam here. But people have to bear with it, because soon and very soon, once this road is over, it will be very, very smooth, and transportation here will be something to enjoy. But for now, we have to bear with the dust and all the work that is being conducted here. But we have to bear with it. So now this is another diversion. As you can see, they are still working on the old one. They have removed it completely and doing it anew. And this is how the road will be from this place all the way to Kilifi. And I believe they will work on the one from Kilifi to Malindi, because it is not also good. I've used it many times, but it is not yet, it's not good. So we have to bear with it. But to us it is okay. Because we want good roads, so that we do not have to spend much on repairs of cars and all that kind of business. So it is a welcome project, and we also thank God for it. So guys, I'm traveling from Nyali Center, where I'd gone for some shopping from the Naivas, Nyali Naivas, and I'm on my way back to Bamburi. So guys, this is Mombasa. I know they say Mombasa Raha, but I am telling you, it is Raha when you have the money. If you don't have money, it is Mombasa trouble. No longer Raha, but trouble, problems. Because with this kind of humidity and hot climate, you need to take a lot of drinks, cold ones, you know, and work in an environment that is conducive. So, karibu to Mombasa. This is Mombasa Raha. Myself, I'm used because I've been here for the last 23 years. And me, I'm used to the kind of weather in this place, because I've been here, except those times that I've traveled abroad, but I've been here. Now this is the turn-off from Mombasa Malindi Road to join the Bamburi road.